fabulous sound system. Just a joy to listen to that. Even with these bumpy roads, the ride is absolutely terrific. You're not being pushed around at all. It really does absorb all the impact on that. So not a bumpy ride at all with the big wheels. It's very, very comfortable. Good cruise on this all day and all night. Just like sitting in an armchair. Very, very comfortable car. Great vision all the way around with all the big glass, and of course panoramic roof to let a lot of light in as well. I mean, the acceleration is absolutely terrific. 280 odd brake horsepower. Just glides along. We're doing 50 miles an hour and it's just over 1,000 revs. Just not working at all, that engine. Although it's a big car, it doesn't really feel as such a massive car to drive. I love the layout of the dashboard. It's not all black and sombre like a lot of them here. You've got the twin tone dashboard. It just makes it very, very nice. All nice soft touch. So there we have it. This is our Range Rover Sport. Terrific car, absolute incredible spec, and compared to cost due price, it is absolutely incredible value for money. That's the way I phrase it, value for money. So any further information, please just give me a call.